Hi guys, this is a quick video about installing Magento 2 in PHP 8.1 Docker container. And if I look at my Docker Compose file, you can see all the services I've used. So in this case, I've used PHP 8.1, Apache, Mysql, Phpmyadmin, Elasticsearch, Memcache, and I've also used New Network. And if you go to web service, you can see in my Apache config file, I've assigned PHP service name to my proxy path match. And if I go to PHP Docker file, you can see only thing I've changed from my last PHP 7.4 is how I enable required PHP libraries for Magento. And in my env file, you can see all the configuration details for the Docker Compose files. Let's go and start the Docker containers. Now if I run docker ps, all the containers are working as expected. Let's run php bash container and install Magento through the composer. Quick reminder guys, if you like my video, give us a like or subscribe to my channel. That will motivate me to do more videos like this. I'll leave the link to my GitHub account so you can download this source code. Next, we are going to install Magento 2 using setup install CLI command. I'm going to remove two-factor authentication and then run docker-compose. And finally, if you browse the Docker URL with port number, you can see it's now working. If you want to access Phpmyadmin, use the port number in the env file.